Okay, this is a tutorial on significant figures. So, when we're looking at a number, if it is a non-zero number, 1 through 9, that's always significant. So, in the number 132, there are 3 sig figs. In the number 475, there are 3 sig figs. The number 7,412 has 4 sig figs. That's easy. Okay. Zeros are weird. There are rules for zeros. The first rule is that a zero between two non-zero numbers is significant. So if we have a number like 506, that has 3 sig figs. That zero is significant. If we have a number like 4,203, that has 4 sig figs. That number is significant. If we have a number like 0.7205, that has 4 sig figs. That zero is significant. The second rule, a zero that's in front of all non-zero numbers is not significant. So if we have a number like 0.0085, that has 2 sig figs. Those zeros are not significant. If we have a number like 0.0507, that number has 3 sig figs. This zero is not significant. This zero is significant because of Rule 1. If we have a number like 0.000712, that has 3 sig figs. These zeros are not significant. That doesn't mean we can get rid of them. If we were to get rid of those, we would have 0.712. That is not the same as 0.000712. These are considered placeholder zeros. We do have to keep them, but they are not significant. Rule number 3. Zeros at the end of a number behind the decimal are significant. So if we have 0.5100, that has 4 sig figs. Both of those zeros are significant. If we have 401.30, that has 5 sig figs. This zero is significant because of Rule 3, while this zero is significant because of Rule 1. If we have 0.00730, this has 3 sig figs. This zero is significant because of Rule 3. These two zeros are not significant because of Rule 2. All right, now let's look at our fourth rule. This is the most complicated. Zeros at the end of a number. Left of the decimal or in front of decimal. It's a resounding maybe. So, if we write 450, that has 2 significant figures. With no decimal here, this zero is not significant. If we write 450 with a decimal after it, that has 3 sig figs. This number is now significant because of that decimal. The decimal after that number makes it significant.